Hi, this is Marlo with Sound of Tri-State, and today we are demoing the Audiovox 10-inch headrest system that is universally applicable for most vehicles. The way this system is, you'll get two 10-inch headrest monitors just like this here, and the headrest monitors attach to the actual poles. So there are some seats that have special headrests which prevent you from changing the headrest or anything to that degree. But this particular aftermarket headrest allows you to put a 10-inch monitor in there. I do like this device here specifically. It does work with, does have USB. It actually has a CD, DVD on the side. Has HDMI connections. This particular device can work independently or it can work synchronized, meaning we currently have the movie on this one, and that same movie is showing up on this one, or we can take it out of independent mode and then it can play its own device. This device also has streaming, so if you do have, it's app-based. So as you can see, Disney networks, you can create your Google account and add it to this, and then stream your app-based subscriptions to this as well. As you can see, we are in the third row of this Ford Expedition. So control-wise, this device has the ability where parents could have an app and also manually change programming or streaming services to whatever the monitors they prefer as well. So this is a pretty nice solution to keep the kids quiet, all while the kids will be using headphones, wireless headphones that come with this package. You can get as many headphones as required as needed, but typically the system itself will come with two. So, and this is a pretty nice piece here. Again, it's made by Audiovox. Thanks.